So Vivo is expected to reveal its X Fold6 this month, and just recently a major set of leaks revealed its major specs. I have already made a video on that. But now finally we got our first real life look at the handset, and Vivo also dropped its first teaser. So let's have a look. So the X Fold6 was spotted on a Chinese actress's hands, which is of course a way to tease their possible customers. Anyway, the handset is shown in a greenish color, and to be honest, it is looking quite elegant. Let me know what you think about it. As we can see, Vivo will continue to use its familiar design, a large circular camera island, while maintaining a slim profile. Further, as we can see, compared to the X Fold 5, the X Fold 6 has a bit more rounded corners, more like we saw on Oppo's foldable, the Find N6. Now, this design language is very in line with what I covered earlier. Moving on, the just dropped official teaser confirmed the Vivo X Fold 6 will run on the Origin OS 6. And as per another teaser, they have improved their Atomic Workbench feature, which is a multitasking interface with a more usable space. Also, the user will be able to create multiple workspaces. Seems like creating multiple desktops on a laptop. Also, in this official teaser, we can see the more rounded and wider design of the X Fold 6 compared to the X Fold 5. Next, without sharing much, Vivo has confirmed they have improved the AI assistant and on-device AI capabilities. Anyway, besides software, Vivo has also made significant hardware changes to the chipset, camera and battery. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.